Hello friends, this is D.K.Gautam and welcome you once again in my YouTube channel D.K.Gautam. In this video I am going to discuss about data types and variables in Java. Okay, so now let's get started. So I have already created a class. Okay, so first we need to understand what is variable. Okay, variable is nothing but it is a memory location. Okay, or we can say it is the name of reserved memory location. Okay, so how do we declare variable? Suppose I want to declare some variable integer. Okay, integer num. So it is nothing but an integer type variable. Okay, so if I want to declare some other variable double. Okay, double type. So 3. Okay, so now we can declare 2.14. Okay, so like that we can declare variable in Java. Okay, so the next thing is how many types of variable in Java. Okay, so types of variable. Okay, so in Java we can have a local variable and instance variable and static variable. So now we need to understand what these all are. Okay, so we can see here local variable. Local variable is nothing but if in this class I have a method. So if I want to declare some variable here, okay, int num is equal to 10. Okay, so this variable is called local variable. Okay, if I want to declare one more variable here, okay, so here I want to change the name of the variable now here. So what is variable? Okay, so I want to tell you or so one more variable is there. Okay, suppose a. Now we need to understand what is local variable, what is instance variable, and what is static variable. Okay, so now here the int n is equal to 10. So this variable is nothing but first I want to tell you local variable. Local variable, the variable that is declared inside the method. Okay, so we can say it is the variable that is declared inside the method. So we can say it is our local variable. What is instance variable? Okay, so now understand the instance variable. Instance variable is nothing but the variable that is declared under the class. Okay, under the class, but outside the method. So these two variables are now instance variable because these variables are under the class but outside the method. So we can say it is the instance variable. Okay, so these all my instance variable. Okay, these also. Okay, but it is our local variable. Okay guys, so now we need to understand things or now static variable. Now come to the static variable. What is static variable? Static variable is nothing but if we want to declare, if we are going to declare with static, okay, with the keyword of static. So with the help of static keyword we can declare. Okay, so static variable. Now it is called static variable. Okay, so these three types of variables are available in Java. Okay, so we can also declare main method. Main method is always static method. So but we can also declare these methods as static according to our requirement. Okay, so now let's understand the data types in Java. So what is this integer is nothing but data type? What is this integer is nothing but data type? If we want to declare some double type value, okay, so we can declare here. Okay, so what is this double? Double is nothing but the data type. So now let's understand the data types in Java. Okay, so we can see here I have already, and in Java there are the data types are available. These data types. Okay, so boolean, char, while, short, integer, long, float, and double. So now I am going to discuss about what. Now you can see here these four data types. Okay, while, short, int, and long. We can declare by using this variable, this data type, we can declare number value. Okay, like that. And okay, this type of value we can declare. Okay, so what is the differences available in here? Okay, but we all there are four data types we can use for number. What is the differences? Differences is nothing but is the default value. Okay, default size. Here, if we are using wide, then it will take 1 byte memory. If we are going to short, then it will take 2 bytes memory. And if we are going to declare integer, okay, then it will allocate 4 bytes memory for that variable. If we are going to declare it long, then it will take 8 bytes memory. Okay, so these all are the differences. Is nothing but size. Size is different. Okay, so now come to the next, float and double. Okay, so by using these two, you can declare float type value. Okay, so what is the difference? Here also differences 4 byte and 8 byte. So now I have two more, that is nothing but boolean and character. Okay, so if we want to declare some character, okay, now I am going to declare here character. Okay, so how can I declare here character? So C is equal to, I want to declare A. Okay, so like that we can declare our A. So it is nothing but it is our character type data type. Okay, so what this is boolean. So boolean, why we are using boolean? Boolean is nothing but only for true and false. So what is the default value of boolean data type is false. Okay, so it will take 1 byte memory. 1 byte memory. Okay, so now I am going to discuss all the data types. Okay, so you can understand easily. Okay, so now okay, so it is our integer. If we want to declare double I have already declared here. So like that we can declare. Okay, if we want to print here, then we can print. Okay, so system.out.println. Okay, we can see here now. Okay, we can print here between parts of the variable. So okay, here like that we can do also. So I want to show you on the data types. Okay, we will not start with first. Now this is another one. Okay, so is also not become what I am paste it here. Okay, then we do this and also we do this. It is not required not character. Okay, here it is the integer type, the character static. So now I will take one more double, and the double I already take long. Okay, okay, so long, or we can take another variable we call float. Okay, float. I have got that. Okay, so this is my code. Suppose at equal to, so how we will declare here 3.1. Okay, so here one more thing is required, that is nothing but we need to tell this is our float time. Okay, here, but not in Java. Okay, so this is here. Okay, so now I want to print this. Okay, here. Okay, first I want to print this n. Okay, first this 10, after that ch, after that f, after that none. This none, this is it. Okay, now I am going to print. First save this program. So Java variable is my classroom, so I want to save this with Java variable. So Java variable dot Java. Okay guys, so now I am going to save in Java for the Java folder in eDrive. Okay, save it. Now I am going to compile and run. So the command prompt here. Okay, so now understand. First we need to go to my eDrive. Okay, first see cd, after that eDrive, after that cd Java. Okay, in Java I have class Java. So Java variable dot Java. Okay, first we need to compile this program. So Java C. Okay, so now click on enter button. So now my program file is compiling. Okay, so now my program file is compiled successfully. Now run this program. So Java. Okay, now you can see our output 10a 3.12 10.5. So like that we can use. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Okay guys, if you have any doubt related to this topic, let me know through comments. Okay, so if you till now did not subscribe my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and you will get my WhatsApp number in the description box, so you can message me on WhatsApp. Okay, so thank you guys and all the best.